In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat in just a few moments. Whether you blocked someone by accident or you've decided to reconnect with them, Snapchat makes it easy to remove them from your blocked list. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. From the main camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile picture in the upper left corner to access your profile. Once you're there, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner and tap it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, scroll down until you reach the section where Snapchat keeps your privacy and account options. Here you'll find an option called Blocked. Tap on it and Snapchat will display every account you've previously blocked. Take a moment to locate the person you want to unblock. When you find their username, simply tap the X icon next to it. Snapchat will ask if you're sure you want to unblock that account. Select Yes to confirm your choice, and the person will be removed from your blocked list immediately. One thing to remember is that unblocking someone doesn't automatically restore your friendship. If you want to chat with them again, you'll need to search for their profile and send them a new friend request. Also, Snapchat doesn't notify users when they've been unblocked, so they won't receive an alert. That's really all it takes. The entire process only takes a minute, and you can repeat these same steps anytime you need to unblock another account. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, be sure to leave a like. Subscribe for more simple Snapchat tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.